The reef knot, or square knot, is quick and easy to tie. It is a good knot for securing non-critical items. Not to be trusted to join two ropes together. This knot was used for centuries by sailors for reefing sails. Hence the name reef knot and tying things aboard ship. Tie two overhand knots. First, right over left and twist, then left over right and twist. Make sure both parts of the rope exit the knot together. The thief knot superficially resembles the square knot, reef knot, except that the working ends of the thief knot exit the knot on opposite sides, diagonally on top and bottom, whereas with the square knot, they exit on the same sides, both on top or both on bottom. It is believed that the name originates from legend that sailors would tie their duffel bags closed with the thief knot. If another sailor subsequently went through the bag, it was assumed that the thief would use the common square knot to retie the bag and thus alert the bag's owner that it had been opened